Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term genre. Introduction. Genres play a crucial role in classifying and categorizing literary works, helping readers and scholars to understand and analyze different types of literature. The term genres originated from French and refers to types or classes of literature. Throughout history, there have been numerous genres and the criteria for classification have varied. However, since the time of Plato and Aristotle, literature has been divided into three main classes based on who speaks in the work: lyric, uttered in the first person throughout; epic or narrative, with the narrator speaking in the first person and characters speaking for themselves; and drama, where the characters do all the talking. Evolution of genres. In the past, neoclassic critics emphasized the purity of each genre and proposed strict rules regarding subject matter, structure, style, and emotional effects. The genres were also ranked in hierarchical order, with epic and tragedy at the top and pastoral and other minor genres at the bottom. However, the emergence of new literary productions, such as the novel and the poems combining description, philosophy, and narrative, challenged the fixity of genres during the 18th century. The Romantic period brought further changes, as the short lyric poem gained prominence and replaced epic and tragedy as the quintessentially poetic type. Genre in contemporary discourse. With the rise of new criticism in the mid-20th century, the emphasis on individuality in each literary work reduced the significance of genres in critical analysis and evaluation. However, since the 1950s, some theorists have revived an interest in genres, redefining distinctions among them based on Aristotle's Poetics or proposing archetypal theories that categorize genres as social formations or set of conventions and codes. Despite varying theoretical perspectives, genres remain essential in literary discourse. They provide a framework for discussing and understanding literature, and many books continue to explore and analyze specific genres such as tragedy, lyric, pastoral, and the novel. So this was the discussion on the term genre. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.